Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Krasnodar. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and began to replace obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one on my own, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a machine for packaging PVC blisters with ampoules into cardboard boxes. Blisters with ampoules are put into ready cardboard boxes, according to the technological process of packing into a box. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment as the main criteria. At first I contacted a company in Germany, who offered me an automatic packaging machine, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company from Russia. She said that they do not manufacture this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for a PVC blister carton packaging machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. After 5 days I received from them in the mail 8 different options for packaging PVC ampoule blisters into cardboard boxes, and the offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they do not have a professional approach, and I will not help me in solving the search for equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the material of bottles, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consultation, he suggested the equipment for packaging of PVC blisters with ampoules into cardboard boxes, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine, and asked to send blanks of our boxes and blisters with ampoules. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video, where we could see our equipment. Blisters with ampoules arrive on the conveyor belt, and are sent by gripper to the cells, to be packed in a cardboard box. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine, and trained employees, who will be assigned to the machine within a week. We were satisfied with the equipment, though frankly speaking I was skeptical about this machine. It seemed to me that it was too difficult to operate. However, practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made if I had made the choice myself.